today's episode of Cooking with Kid Toy, we'll be making Cajun Crab Cakes. Let's get started. So here's our ingredients for the crab cake. So we have seasoning.
Cajun seasoning.
Cajun seasoning.
Breadcrumbs.
So we have salt and pepper. Hold up, there's some seasoning here.
Okay, come on.
It's stuck. Okay. And we have onions.
Purple onion. Dump it.
And then we have, what is this called again?
Those are parsley flakes.
Parsley flakes. And we have sweet pepper.
Sweet peppers.
Sweet pepper.
Orange and red. There you go.
Probably there's some yellow in there. And now we have 2 eggs. Dump it on in. And we have some shrimp.
I gotta cut the shrimp.
And mayo. And also
Alright, dump the crab meat.
Grab me. I'm so sorry. Here you go.
There you go. Now we gotta mix it all in. I'm gonna chop this shrimp right here. And we'll dump that mayo too.
My dad's gonna peel and chop the shrimp.
See these legs?
Yeah.
Yeah, I gotta peel them off. That's the skin.
The crab?
No, for shrimp. I cooked them.
No,
They're just missing a head.
No, from. But it's just missing the head. Okay.
Gotta peel the legs off. And pop the tail off right there. This is 4 ounces of shrimp. So I just cooked them in water and some Old Bay. About 3 minutes. Pull them out of the shell. Pop the tail. You gotta squeeze the tail like that. Get it out of the shell. Peel the skin back. Squeeze the legs. And pop that shrimp right out of there.
If you never had shrimp before, or if you're a kid.
There you go. Pull that shell off. That's what shrimp looks like after you. And you could buy them already cooked. I just had to. I like to cook it myself. I can control the flavor of the shrimp if I do it myself.
Okay. Is there any more shrimp?
Last one. You peel it back like this. Squeeze that meat. Squeeze the legs and pull the shells right off. And then you squeeze the tail out like that. See? And there's your shrimp.
Good job, Dad.
And then you just gotta chop it.
Oh, beautiful. If you never have shrimp before, I love shrimp. You're gonna try it. It's good. And you're gonna love it. You're gonna love it. I promise you're gonna love it.
Dump that right here. Right on top of the mix.
Then you're just gonna have to stir.
Actually, you don't have to do it with a fork.
You can do it with a whisk.
Get your hands in there. Mix that bad boy around.
Oh, I thought you were gonna do it with a whisk.
I could have. This is much faster.
But it will get your hands dirty.
Yeah. Let's get your hands dirty. Get off in there. There you go.
Put it in a refrigerator for 10 minutes. Preheat the pan to fry your crab cakes. So now we make the patties. Oh no. Need to get more.
Yep, scoop a lot of that.
I'm trying, but it won't let me.
Got tight, didn't it? There you go.
I don't know what's going
Put it in your
on.
hand and pat it out.
Okay, last but not least, and then, ta-da! So now my dad's gonna fry the crab cakes. I don't think you should ever do this in a kid. If you're a kid, my bad. I think you're supposed to get adult supervision. I'm just saying. Just make more room.
Alright, gonna season these. Now I'm pulling them out of the fried oil. Put seasoning on there. And voila.
So here's our Cajun Crab Cakes with homemade sauce. Made by me. And I hope you enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave a comment below and smash that like button. And I will see you all next time. Bye!